أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربي زدني علما. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Qasim Ilmi from Al-Furqan Hakeem Academy, Lahore, Pakistan. Today I'm making video about Ghunnah and Maddah letters. So this video would be very important and useful and very informative video for those who want to teach online Quran in all over the world. So this is my humble request to all of you. Please share this video as much as you can, and please share on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp and Facebook. Thank you. Saying the voice of meme or noon completely into the nose for a while is called Ghunnah, whereas ikhfa mean hiding the voice of noon or meme partially into the nose. This is the Maddah letters. There are three Maddah letters: Alif, Waw and Ya. Number one, Alif Maddah. When there is a zabar before alif, okay, then alif become maddah letters. When alif has no moment or sukun, alif, and the letter before alif has a fatha, a zabar on it, then letter alif is called alif maddah and will be prolonged for 2 mayars of harakat, 2 seconds. Alright, 2 seconds. Ba, zabar alif, ba. Right? Please repeat after me. Ta zabar alif ta, tha zabar alif tha, hamza zabar a, sad zabar alif sa, ba zabar ba, asaba, ba ta tha asaba. Right? Standing fatha zabar. Okay, it's look like this one. This is a standing zabar, standing fatha. It is also equal to alif maddah and will be prolonged for 2 mayars of harakat, 2 seconds. Zal standing zabar za is equal to zal zabar alif za, right? And kitabun kaf zir ki, ta standing zabar ta, ba 2 pesh bon, kitabun is equal to kitabun. Okay, standing zabar is equal to alif maddah, kitabun. Right? Note: if any time the letter alif appears with harakat or sukun, this is not a true alif, but it is letter hamza. Letter alif appears always empty. It may become with, okay, mad sign, and always comes after another letter, whereas the letter hamza may come with a moment as the first letter in a word. This in ma, you make a Ghunnah here because noon has a tashdid sign over there with zabar. You make a Ghunnah. And what is the Ghunnah? To take sound into your nose, and the noon sound hold for a moment into in your nose. Okay, it's called a Ghunnah, nasalization. So you must make a Ghunnah here, nasalization. In ma asab. Alright. Number 2 point, Waw maddah. When waw has a sukun, jazm, waw sakina, and the letter before waw has a dhamma page on it, then it is called waw maddah and will be prolonged for 2 mayars of harakat, 2 seconds. Okay, 2 seconds. Right, when there is a page before waw sakina, the waw sakina become waw maddah letter. Okay, for example, ba pesh waw, bu, ta pesh waw, tu, ha pesh waw, hu, ra tu pesh ron, hurun. Okay, bu, tu, hu, ron. Right, this is a waw maddah. Standing dhamma pesh. Okay, this is the standing dhamma. It is standing dhamma. Look at, this is the standing Dhamma. It is also equal to waw madda and will be prolonged for 2 measures of haraka, 2 seconds. Okay, waw standing Dhamma, waw standing pesh, wu is equal to waw pesh waw, wu, and dal standing, okay, dal zabar alif, the waw standing pesh, wu, dal zabar da, wu, da is equal to Dawood, right? And this is a ya madda here. When there is a pesh before ya sakina, okay, then ya sakina become ya madda. So when ya has a schoon and the letter before ya has a kasara, zair on it, then it is called ya madda and will be prolonged for 2 measures of haraka, 2 seconds. Okay, ba zer ya bi, ta zer ya ti, hamza zabar a, kha zer ya khi, ha zer hi, hi. This is the ya madda. Standing kasra zer, okay, look, it's look like a standing zabar. Okay, it is also equal to ya madda and will be prolonged for 2 measures of haraka, 2 seconds. Okay, this is a ya standing zer, yi is equal to ya zer, ya, yi, and hamza standing zer, e, la standing zabar, la, e, la, fa zer fi, e, la, fi is equal to e, hamza zer, ya, e, lam zabar alif la, e, la, fa zer fi, e, la, fi. This is the ya madda. And now it is very, very important to know about Leen letters. Okay, how many Leen letters? This is the Leen letters. Okay, how many Leen letters? They are 2 Leen letters, waw sakina and ya sakina. Okay, when there is zabar before both of them, right, waw sakina and ya sakina become Leen letter. There are 2 Leen letters. Okay, this is number 1, waw leen. Okay, when there is a zabar before waw sakina become waw leen. When waw has a schoon jazm, okay, and the letter before waw has a fatha zabar, right, on it, then it is called the waw leen. Ba zabar wa, bao, ta zabar wa, tao, ya zabar wa, yao, mim zabar ma. Bao, tao, yao, ma. Okay, you will read them very softly. Okay, this is the ya leen. When there is a zabar before ya sakina become ya leen. Okay, when ya has a schoon jazm and the letter before ya has fatha zabar on it, then it is called ya leen. Ba zabar ya bai, ta zabar ya tai, ba zabar ya bai, ta zer ti, bai, tai, bai, ti. Okay, these are all ya Leen letters. Okay, and inshallah I will make another video and I will tell you that madda letters. Okay, how many kinds of madda? Okay, madde munfasil, madde muttasil, madde lazim, madde leen lazim, madde aris, and madde leen aris. Inshallah I will tell you in detail in next video. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.